Certainly. 100% organic cold-pressed rosehip seed oil refers to a natural skincare product. Let me provide you with some information. Rosehip seed oil is extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes, Rosa moscata, or Rosa rubiginosa. It is known for its rich composition of essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. The term 100% organic indicates that the oil is derived from organically grown rose hips, without the use of synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Cold-pressed means that the oil is extracted through a mechanical process that involves minimal heat. This method helps preserve the oil's natural properties, as excessive heat can degrade the beneficial compounds in the oil. Rosehip seed oil is popular in skincare due to its potential benefits, including moisturizing the skin, reducing the appearance of scars and fine lines, and providing antioxidants to protect against free radicals. As with any skincare product, it's advisable to perform a patch test and consult with a dermatologist to ensure compatibility with your skin type. If you have any specific questions, or if there is more information you'd like, feel free to ask.